What's up guys, Sal here. So in an interview with CNET, the OnePlus CEO Pete Lu has confirmed the company's plans to launch a OnePlus 6 handset in June 2018. There was rumor a few weeks ago that OnePlus is planning to launch the new handset as soon as March. I guess that's not true. He said the phone would launch late in Q2, which would place the release date in June. Lu said the handset would be based on Snapdragon 845 chipset, saying there's no other choice than Qualcomm hardware. He also didn't confirm the OnePlus 6 name, only that the company's lead flagship for the year would be arriving at this time. But unless there's some more number-based superstition, which is why the OnePlus 4 name was skipped, that is logically where we'll end up in terms of branding. Lu was also questioned regarding the possibility of a follow-up OnePlus 6T to launch inside 2018, to which he said he apparently isn't 100% sure if OnePlus will out a second device in 2018, but given what's happened in the past 2 years, I'd say that's obviously a possibility. Lastly, Lu expressed interest in partnering with US carrier networks to bring the OnePlus flagships to consumers in the United States via network contracts. He said if the right opportunity and right timing come along, we'll be very happy to experiment. The OnePlus CEO also confirms that the OnePlus 3 and 3T users will also get the Face Unlock feature of the 5T. Carl Pye said there's no reason to withhold features we can easily implement. The facial recognition option will probably added with another Oxygen OS beta build in the upcoming days, so if you're already enrolled in the beta program, then you should be able to test it. So of course, that said, let me know what you think of the OnePlus 6. What features are you expecting from the device? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.